I'm in Sydney, Nebraska right now. I guess I'm nowhere, but I'm heading to Estes Park, Colorado. So last night was 863 miles, and now we have just a short distance to go to enjoy the day and check it out. Come on with us. We have a vegan egg scramble with toast and hash browns, and we're in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Never been here before. Never even been to Wyoming. Let's try this out. No. Gotta get rid of that. I don't want the mushroom. A little bit of this, a little bit of this. That's really good. Hash browns. Might need a little bit of hot sauce. Sorry, good toast. Yes, thank you so much. Yep, good stuff. I just thought this was interesting because of the elevation. These bags are like totally tight, and this was not like this before. It's all of them. Look at that. It's like a balloon. Elevation. We're at Estes Park, Colorado. I was actually here 21 years ago, and I'm back. Perfect fall day, and the air is nice and crisp. I'm looking forward to walking around and checking the place out. Look at the mountains. Look at the clouds. All right, I'm on my way to the Stanley Hotel here in Colorado. I hear it's haunted.